In this video, I'll be using PowerShell to install progressive web apps in Google Chrome. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And here you can see the objective for this video. Basically, I will be installing Twitter, Telegram, and Spotify. And here you can see the PowerShell snippet that I will be using to install the web apps. And it works by first creating a JSON object with all the apps that we want to install. So here you can see Twitter, Telegram, and Spotify. And after creating the JSON object, it puts that list of apps that we want to install in Windows registry. And now I will copy the snippet by clicking on the button right here, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have this Windows virtual machine. And here I will open my terminal application and run it as administrator. And then I will insert the snippet here. Let's press enter. And now if I open Chrome and wait a bit, you can see that all the apps that we wanted have been installed. We have Twitter, Telegram, and Spotify. We can try to launch them. And they seem to be working just fine. Now let's close everything. And that's basically it. Now if you want to remove the progressive apps, you need to go to Windows registry. So for that, let's go to start menu. Let's type regedit. Let's run it as administrator. Click yes here. And then let's go to local machine, software, policies, Google, Chrome. And here we have the list of our web apps. If I right click on it and delete, then let's go back and let's relaunch Chrome. So I will close it and open it again. And now we need to wait a bit more. And as you can see, the apps disappeared. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.